Enforcement Directorate officials on Monday took custody of Tamil Nadu Minister Senthil Balaji from the Puzhal prison in a money laundering case after a court granted custody to the agency following the dismissal of related petitions by the Supreme Court. ED officials took Balaji from Puzhal prison to the ED office. Earlier, the Supreme Court dismissed the pleas of Balaji and his wife challenging the Madras High Court's judgment which held his arrest illegal by the Enforcement Directorate in the money laundering case. A bench of Justices A.S. Bopanna and M.M. Sundresh, while dismissing the plea of Balaji, allowed his custodial interrogation by the ED in cash for job scam. Last week, the bench reserved its order on a plea filed by Balaji and his wife challenging the Madras High Court's judgment. The Madras High Court on July 14th held legal the ED's arrest of Balaji and subsequent judicial custody granted by a lower court on money laundering charges linked to the cash for job scam. The High Court order came on the habeas corpus petition filed by Meghala, wife of Senthil Balaji. The High Court found the habeas corpus plea not maintainable in law. It further clarified that time spent by Balaji under medical treatment in a private hospital would be excluded from the period of custody allowed to the ED. The ED had arrested Senthil Balaji last month in connection with the cash for job scam that occurred in the state's transport department, and he continues to be a minister without portfolio. The ED had earlier approached the Apex Court, contending that the Madras High Court erred in entertaining a habeas corpus petition filed by Balaji's wife and allowing him to be moved to a private hospital in Chennai from the government hospital following his arrest by the ED. After a division bench of Madras High Court gave a split verdict on the habeas corpus plea filed by wife of Balaji for his release in a case registered by ED, the Supreme Court asked the Chief Justice of High Court to place the matter before the three-judge bench at the earliest. The Minister for Electricity as well as Prohibition and Excise, Balaji, was arrested on June 14th and admitted to a government hospital in Chennai after he complained of chest pain. He was allowed by the Madras High Court on July 15th to be shifted to a private hospital of his choice. He was later taken from the Tamil Nadu Government Multi-Super Speciality Hospital to Kaveri Hospital at Alvarpet. Doctors attending to him have recommended bypass surgery. The interim order of the High Court was passed on a habeas corpus petition filed by the minister's wife, who accused probe agency officials of not having followed due procedures, such as intimating the grounds of arrest under the Code of Criminal Procedure. His wife wanted the arrest itself to be declared illegal for the ED's failure to comply with the legal procedures. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.